Welcome to the production house. What you will see is only a very small view of some of the successful projects the production house has worked on. Norfolk State University's production house was created to combat the growing request for media services by the campus community, and to give mass communications and journalism students practical work experience. This exclusive paid internship program is a partnership between the Department of Mass Communications and Journalism, the Office of Communications and Marketing, and the School of Graduate Studies and Research. The team consists of 5 undergrad interns and 1 fellow. The production house was started in September 2022 and has completed 2 semesters of work for the university. Since being in operation, more than 60 requests have been fulfilled and more is coming in with each week. Some of the services requested are photography, videography, and video editing, just to name a few. The production house has covered most of the major events held at the university, including Admitted Students Day, homecoming events, Founders Day, sporting events, and commencements.